Hello viewers, in Flipkart, big shopping utsav is running from 15th of October to 17th of October, and on the other hand Amazon is running Dasera sale. So in this sale, if you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation, then this video is going to help you. On Amazon.in, the price of iPad 10th generation for the 64GB version is about 28,999 rupees, and if you have HDFC credit card, in that case you will get 2,250 rupees cashback and the effective price will be 26,749 rupees. On the other hand, if you want to buy from Flipkart, then you have to keep ready Axis Bank credit card. In that case you will get 2,250 rupees cashback with instant cashback, and you will get 2,500 rupees cashback with EMI. Now a lot of users actually want to know whether they will get more discounts on this product during Diwali sale or not, or whether they should buy this tablet right now. Look, if you have urgency of buying a tablet, then this is a very good deal. You can grab this deal at 26,749 rupees. But on the other hand, if you have no urgency, in that case you may wait till Diwali sale. Only then you can make your decision. Suppose in Diwali sale the price of this product is higher than expected, then I guarantee that the product price will definitely decrease anytime. Now it depends only on you whether you want to wait for it or not. Actually, next generation iPad is going to launch very soon, so with that product launch, the price of this product will definitely decrease and a lot of users can actually buy this tablet at a very lower price. And if you talk about the performance of iPad 10th generation, I can say you that this is a great tablet. Once you use it for a couple of days, you will love the performance and the portability and the display and the battery backup. Everything is superb in this tablet. I have been using this tablet along with other Android tablets, and I must tell you that the performance from this tablet is very satisfying. And whenever I use iPad, I don't actually like using any other Android tablets because this tablet is very fast, fluid. Though it has 60Hz display, yet you will feel a very good animation. And the performance level of this iPad 10th generation is very good, so I will suggest you, if you have urgency, you can buy now. Otherwise wait for the Diwali sale. Nobody knows what the deals will be, but you may get a better deal. And even if you don't get better deal during Diwali sale, the price will definitely come down any day. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy this tablet or if you have already bought this tablet. And if you have any questions regarding this tablet or any other tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Hope this video has become helpful. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.